Oh, it's my birthday. It's my Boxing Day. Ta-da! Look. I bought this in Auckland when I went there last June. Ta-da! Look. I go to the other side. It's Gucci. It's Gucci. Yes. Ta-da! Yes. Love letter from Gucci. From Gucci. Ta-da! My Gucci! Ta-da! Ay! Show you my Gucci. Ta-da! That's properly. Ta-da! 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 Oh, thank you, my dear. I have a Gucci. I have a flower. I have a card. I have my man. I am so blessed. I love you, Gucci. I'll read it later. I'll go to Gucci. Love you.
Are you already good?
Ta-da! Oh my God! Oh my God! This is a gift for myself. I bought this myself, huh? I bought this myself. Look, Gucci, Gucci, everywhere, Gucci, Gucci. Yes, this is the new box by Gucci. Look at that, their new packing. Ta-da! Oh my God! This is my Gucci, the limited. Oh, green, yellow, orange, red, and blue. This is a limited multicolored Tote bag. I think sabi nila dun sa Gucci, one in every store or one in every country. Yes. Look at that. Oh, this is a Gucci. This is Gucci. This is the strap. Yes, you can have the strap. Yes, you can have the strap. Yes. It's my birthday, so I will wear this one. Oh, Gucci, Gucci. Yes, I have my Gucci. I have my Gucci. It's my birthday. I waited for this moment, this birthday of mine, to have this Gucci. Unboxing for my Gucci. All of it. My Gucci, Gucci. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci gang. Everything is Gucci. It's a happy birthday. It's my birthday.